Roofing software to grow your business. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and in the roofing news this week, there were 3 pieces of software that came up that can make you a lot more efficient and is great for your revenue. The first one was GiddyUp, which is for canvassing. So if you go door to door, what it does is it basically organizes your door-to-door operations. So you capture leads, track progress, custom questionnaire, schedule appointments, and then you have like a custom knock list, mapping. So if you're canvassing, take a look at GiddyUp. And with these 3 softwares, I typed in reviews online. I couldn't find any. So if anybody's used them, please comment down below. We would love to know your input on that. The next one that came up this week was from RoofGraph, and this roofer right here says he saves 65 hours a month using the roof measurement tool. And basically, you measure it, you draw the lines, and then from those lines, you're able to get a proposal. It automatically gives the cost. Tells you everything, including the shingles, and the customer can sign there. Also, RoofSnap, very similar. They do the same basic thing. They measure it. The only difference I found was that you can order, if you don't want to draw the lines yourself, you can order the sketch from them. So that gives you an option. The pricing looks about the same. RoofSnap, it's about $99. We're starting there per user per month, and the same with RoofGraph. So like I do in all these videos, I will put the links down below. So in case those are some apps and software that you could use in your business, you can click on the links to get more information. And before you leave, make sure to click on the video, Why Every Roofer Needs the Roofing Webmasters. I am an authorized dealer for the Roofing Webmasters. So click the link, it'll pop up here now, or I'll have the link down below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Roofing News, because you'll learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So thanks so much for your time, and I hope that roofing software is helpful to you. Take care. Bye-bye.